In prokaryotic gene expression, there are 4 methods of control at the transcriptional level. Today we will address positive inducible transcription. All positive methods of regulation involve activators. Activators are coded for by an activator gene or genes elsewhere in the genome. RNA polymerase begins transcription when the activator binds an operator region, which is sandwiched between the promoter region, where RNA polymerase binds, and the structural genes, which produce the RNA product. If the activator needs to be modified before it can bind the DNA, then it is referred to as inducible transcription. This comes in the form of a small molecule or effector which attaches itself to a binding site on the activator protein. This induces a conformational change in the activator, allowing it to bind the operator. When the binding of an effector to the regulatory protein increases transcription, such as in this case, it is said to be inducible. A helpful analogy for positive inducible transcription would be a door and a key. In this analogy, my hand would be the activator protein and opening the door would be transcription. My key would be the small effector molecule, since without it I cannot open my door, but possessing my key allows me to open the door, resulting in transcription. Therefore, if a gene was regulated in a positive inducible manner, absence of the effector molecule would result in extremely low levels of transcription, but presence of even a small amount of the effector molecule could increase transcription exponentially.